Hybrid 4 adds many design improvements over its predecessor, the Hybrid 3. Versatility and adaptability are at the centre of this new design, which dramatically improves the performance of the three main functions of the hydraulic dolly, with a brand new wheel and axle design, a more accurate and smooth hydraulic lifting arm with more lifting power, and a host of brand new accessories that come as standard. The camera dolly's central key function is to provide smooth movement of the camera in any direction, either on a flat surface or mounted onto track. Chapman Leonard can provide you with 3 different tyre compounds for smoother tracking results over different surfaces. The Hybrid 4 employs a brand new design in its wheels, which has dramatically reduced the rolling friction on a floor surface and when the dolly is used on track. So you can now execute straight tracking shots without disengaging the tab locks on the axles of the dolly. Overall, the manoeuvrability of the Hybrid 4 is greatly enhanced by its 3 steering modes, selectable directly through the rear steering control bar when operating on a flat surface. Conventional mode turns only the rear wheels to steer the dolly around the front wheels and the centre of the camera axis. Crab mode engages all 4 wheels to turn in unison, allowing dolly movements in any direction without affecting the camera plane. Round steering mode, which is a new feature for the Hybrid 4, allows even greater manoeuvrability by engaging opposite steering on the front and back wheels. Round mode works with the Hybrid 4 legs set to any position, even folded inward to reduce the footprint of the dolly, giving you a minimum turning radius of just 20 inches. You can turn the dolly exactly on the spot if need be. Changing between the steering modes can be done on the move without stopping. To help an operator with selecting only the steering modes they need during a dolly move, control pins on the handles can be set to limit which steering modes are selectable at any time. Grips will love the Hybrid 4's new Quick Jack system that enables easy repositioning of the Hybrid 4's dynamic legs in seconds. There are 2 quick jacks supplied with the Hybrid 4, so even wheel changes are now possible on the spot. Dynamic axle legs are a key feature taken from the Peewee dolly. They allow the Hybrid 4 to be used on several different gauges of track, to aid stability with off-axis loads or to reduce the size of the dolly on set. This feature is great for transportation, tracking shots where there's narrow access, or when you just need to get in close for your shot. The most significant feature of any Chapman Leonard dolly is the hydraulic lifting arm. Smooth and silent, it allows for a dynamic change in lens height during a shot, or to position the camera in a secure locked-off position at different heights. The hydraulic arm has now been perfected to move in a perfectly straight vertical line, eliminating the need to pull focus on a camera move ending with a close-up. The lifting capacity of the Hybrid 4 arm has also been increased to carry up to 700 pounds, bringing it close to the performance of the larger Hustler dolly in terms of its ability to cope with large camera packages. The additional lifting power in the arm allows the Hybrid 4 to become a mobile platform for small jib arms, such as the Stinger seen here. With the rear control columns removed, full rotation of a jib arm is possible in a 360-degree arc. Power is nothing without control though, so the arm has been redesigned and engineered with new bearings to ensure incredibly smooth, accurate and silent operation. The Hybrid 4 features a built-in automatic oil heater to ensure smooth operation even at very cold temperature. The ride-on performance of the Hybrid 4 is also enhanced by the inclusion of a dedicated nose seat for operator comfort and safety. A familiar feature that hasn't needed updating on the Hybrid 4 are the use of coloured Velcro markers for plotting start and stop positions when using the arm. A set of control levers located at the rear of the dolly under the removable footplate allow you to preset the arm's position and adjust the sensitivity of the start and stop speed of the arm. Known as feathering, this feature is most useful for ensuring consistent preset movement of the arm over multiple takes. Also brand new to the Hybrid 4 are two different modes for controlling the hydraulic arm's movement. With normal mode selected, the arm's travel has a sharper movement when switching directions. Float mode, which is new to the Hybrid 4, changes the characteristics of the arm's movement to a flowing motion. Operators will find they can achieve a more fluid and subtle change in the arm's direction with float mode selected. The redesign of the arm extends all the way to the Hybrid 4's new levelling head. The GQ head is a 4-point levelling system with a built-in locking mechanism for instant repositioning or offsetting of the camera mount. By depressing the locking lever once, the head can be turned and will lock into place at 18-degree intervals in 20 different positions. Alternatively, free pivoting of the head in any direction is possible by pushing the cam lever button as you depress the main lever. The Hybrid 4 comes with a choice of two heads, both with a Mitchell mount. Standard accessories for the Hybrid 4 include risers for the camera head and high-low plates with a removable 7-inch extension piece for further reach. The high-low plate can be underslung or overslung for a change in lens height in a matter of moments. Chapman Leonard has incorporated a quick release registering pin to help locate the plate during this operation. The Hybrid 4 accessories also include a 90-degree bracket for mounting the high-low plate, so you can achieve a wide range of off-axis camera positions for all kinds of situations. Chapman Leonard have also redesigned all the walk-around boards for the Hybrid 4. Walk-around boards can be configured in many different setups depending on requirements, something camera operators and assistants will appreciate as they provide a much more stable platform to work from. Hand-tightening registration pins and locking latches provide a secure method for attaching walk-around boards. And the Hybrid 4 features a hinged front footplate with locking pins, a time-saving feature when changing from high to low mode setup and vice versa. All the accessory boards come with a tough, non-slip rubber matte surface, the same finish as found on the top section of the Hybrid 4 chassis. Completing the complement of detachable platforms on the Hybrid 4 is a large ride-on platform for a camera operator when standing in an elevated position or during a moving shot on the arm. Chapman Leonard have successfully combined over 40 years of engineering innovation and, by listening to film professionals and their needs, created the Hybrid 4. A camera dolly for a new century in film production, combining the very best features of the Chapman Leonard camera dollies into one superb design. The Hybrid 4 gives you the precise control, ease and flexibility of use expected of equipment in today's film and television industry. Contact your nearest Chapman Leonard outlet in the USA for details and demonstrations, or visit the website to learn more. Chapman Leonard, putting the move in the movies.